Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can delete Telegram account. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any query, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Telegram app and then just go to this three lines on your top left corner, and then go to settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll a bit and you will find this privacy and setting security option, which is just below chat settings. Just go over here and go a bit down, scroll down. Over here you'll find this delete my account option. Just press over here and then you can choose over here how you will delete your account. So in this case you can't delete your account instantly, but if you are away for, let's say, 1 month or 3 months or two, you can choose over here. It will automatically delete your account. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.